Chenro mag tudruok mag simu kod mbui Airtel oyao bade Tivoli e chuny boma ma Kisumu. Matend kambino wacho ni en yo mar chopo ne johera mag Airtel. Kane oloso, jatend kambi ma Airtel Ashish Chandra owacho ni e kaunti ma Kisumu gigeto ganda ma ohinga 600,000. Jatendno bende wacho ni yepo mar duka ma kamano ogeno ni biro kelo yot ne oganda yudo chenro ma gidwaro kendo machiegni kodgi.
Our plan was to start for about 1,000 new base stations, which will help increase network across the country as well as improve indoor coverage across the country. Happy to announce that we have finished approximately 900 plus 1 or 2 more sites we have already deployed across the country. Another 100 sites is happening between this month and next month. And with respect to response from the customer has been good. We are very grateful for the response that we are seeing across the counties, and we are expanding our network footprint. We are expanding our service footprint. You must have also noticed that we have now over 2,300 plus Airtel Money branches across the country. In fact, in Kisumu city itself, we have around 43 branches apart from these 2 shops that we have, Tivoli and Mega City. So our distribution footprint, our service footprint is getting bigger, and our endeavor is to bring our services closer to our customers as the days go by.